If you feel like you're always broke, even though you're earning good, there's a high chance it's not your income. It's your system. And in the next 4 minutes, I'll show you exactly why your money disappears and how to fix it starting today. By the end of this video, you'll understand the 3 silent money mistakes that keep people stuck. And most people ignore the 3rd mistake. That's the one keeping you broke. More importantly, the simple budgeting system that actually works in real life. Not the complicated spreadsheet version, the one that people who build wealth quietly follow. Here's what probably happens. You get paid, you feel a little relief. Then from nowhere, life kicks in. Rent, food, subscriptions you forgot about, weekend plans, shopping sprees, and suddenly your balance is back to 0. So you tell yourself, I just need to earn more. But here's the uncomfortable truth. There are people earning less than you, saving more than you. So what's going on? Mistake 1. You don't have a money plan. Here's the first mistake. You're not telling your money where to go. So it disappears. Most people treat budgeting like restriction, but it's actually control. With a plan, you decide in advance. This goes to savings. This covers essentials. This is guilt-free spending. Big difference. A budget isn't about limiting your life. It's about deciding it. Fix this, and you're already ahead of most people. But here's where it gets worse. Even people who budget still stay broke. Why? Mistake 2. Lifestyle inflation is quietly killing you. Now imagine you got a raise. Feels good, right? So what do? You upgrade your life. Better phone, more eating out, nicer apartment. And suddenly, you start earning more, but still saving the same. Or worse, nothing. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's dangerous because it feels normal. Let me put it simply. If your lifestyle grows as fast as your income, you'll never build wealth. A rule to follow. Every time your income increases, your savings should increase first, not your spending. Control this, and you will unlock the real financial progress. Now here's the one mistake that even high earners make. The one that keeps doctors, bankers, and 6-figure earners stuck. Mistake 3. You don't have a system. This is the big one. You're relying on your willpower, and willpower doesn't work. You're saying, I'll save whatever is left at the end of the month. But let's be honest, there's never anything left. So here's the shift. You pay yourself first. Before you spend anything, you move money into savings and investments. Automatically. Simple system as a rule of thumb. 50% of income should go towards needs, 30% should go towards wants, and the rest 20% goes towards savings and investments. Or adjust it based on your situation. But the principle stays the same. Savings is not optional. If you cannot save 20%, then at least save 10%. But save. This is step 1. Once this is automated, you stop depending on discipline. And that's when things start working. Bonus point. Focusing only on budgeting and not growing. Now, this is where most people miss the bigger picture. If you're only focusing on budgeting, then it won't make you rich. Budgeting only stops you from being broke. There's a difference. If all you do is save, inflation will quietly eat your money. So yes, budget, but also invest. Because you don't need more effort. You need your money working for you. The big payoff. The transformation. Let's simplify and compile everything. If you fix these 3 things, you telling your money where to go, you controlling lifestyle inflation, you building an automatic system, you go from, where did my money go? To, I know exactly where every dollar is working. And that's the shift you need. You don't need a higher income to start. You just need a better system. Once that system is in place, everything else becomes easier. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.